So during the remaining time that I have here, and I know I don't have much left, I want to share with you 3 quick ideas on how you can keep on pushing and build momentum. And the first one is that you have to enlarge your vision of what is possible. Now, in my book, I use bobsledding as an analogy, and I speak about 3 different kinds of people. The first one are the non-starters. These are the people who refuse to take to the track. They refuse to set goals and pursue them. The only thing they can think about is how difficult the track is, how challenging life is. You know, they become crippled with the fear of crashing, fear of failing, losing the client, losing the sale, getting passed over for the promotion. And so they do nothing. You know, they're like what your physics teacher would call an object at rest. You know, it's impossible for them to build any momentum because they have abandoned the promise and the life and the hope that life offers. Then there are the joggers. They take to the track, but instead of pushing with all their might, they do what? They jog. They jog. Their grand plan in life is to play it safe. They surmise that if they leave the top of the hill with less speed, then they minimize their risk of crashing, not realizing that life doesn't care. The track doesn't care how fast you're going. Each twist and turn up ahead is still perilous. And you can tell who the joggers are because they have half-hearted attempts at everything they do, and they live their lives with a mantra, well, you know, we tried. And then there are the studs, the pushers. There are people like you who approach life with a balls to the wall kind of attitude. Wow, I'm striking a chord here, lots of balls. You know, they don't live vicariously through their heroes. They respect them, they admire them, but they understand that they, the pushers, have the same potential for greatness as anyone else, and so they push themselves to the limit, to the next level. You know, they don't allow themselves to become intimidated by obstacles. They instead prepare themselves by dedicating themselves to a lifetime of growth. They are possibility thinkers. They are infused with hope and faith. They are filled with great expectations. They remain forever curious about all the things that they could possibly accomplish in their lifetime. And so they go after it, they launch. They are the ones who explode off the starting blocks of life, and they keep on pushing, knowing, believing that if they go as far as they can see, when they get there, they'll see further. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time we post a new video. And don't forget, share it with your friends, man. They want to be inspired as well, right? So share it. Don't keep it. And before you go on to the next video, visit my website, www.devonharris.com. Keep on pushing.